Hello smart minds, welcome back to Mind Gym on Zippy Learning. We are going to learn how to double numbers in a snap. This lesson will help your kids quickly double numbers mentally and recognize patterns, preparing them for faster addition and multiplication. Let's see what is doubling. Doubling means adding the same number to itself. It's like having one ice cream and getting another one just like it. Yum! 1 plus 1 equals 2, 5 plus 5 equals 10, 6 plus 6 equals 12, 7 plus 7 equals 14, 8 plus 8 equals 16, 9 plus 9 equals 18, 10 plus 10 equals 20. When kids learn this by heart, they become a doubling champ. Can you spot a pattern? Let me clarify you. Here is a super trick. If you know 5 plus 5 equals 10, then you also know 6 plus 6 equals 12. It's just 2 more. Now try to say, what's double of 7? Excellent. Double of 7 is 14. And double of 8? Amazing. Double of 8 is 16. Imagine, you have 9 pen brush and your friend gives you the same 9. Now you have 9 plus 9 equals 18. In the same way, if you know 10 plus 10 equals 20, you also can say double of 11. You need to just add 2 more. 11 plus 11 equals 22. Then what's the double of 12? Excellent. Double of 12 is 24. In each step, you need to add 2 more. You rock this double trouble challenge. Next time, we will learn how to double bigger number like a superhero. Don't forget to like and share this lesson with your friends. See you soon.